children. Today I am going to teach you social subject for second standard CBSE. Okay children, in the last class we have completed lesson number 10. I hope are you all completed the classwork children? Yes, you should complete the classwork. Okay. Today I am going to start the new lesson, that is lesson number 11, safety habits. Lesson number 11, S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety, H-A-B-I-T-S, habits. Look children, we have to follow the safety habits in the home, at school, okay, on the road and on the playground. Okay, we have to follow the safety rules at home, at school, in the playground and on the road. The safety rules to be followed at school and at home. Safety rules to be followed by boarding the bus. When we are climbing the bus, then also we should follow the safety rules. Safety rules to be followed by playing in the playground. Got it children? Now I am going to start this lesson. Okay, learning about staying safe is an important part of education. Children, with education we should learn about the safety rules and safe life. Okay. Learning about staying safe is an important part of education. With education, you should learn the good habits and safety habits to be followed. Okay, safety rules at home. Okay, in the home, how shall we follow the safety rules? Okay, children, always inform an adult or call for help if someone is hurt. Okay, someone is hurt, no children. H-U-R-T hurt. Okay, someone is hurt, you should inform your adult and call them also. Okay, A-D-U-L-T. Okay, inform your adult and call your adult when someone is hurt. Got it children? Let us now learn about staying safe at home. How do we follow the safety rules at home? Okay, do not, first point is what you know children? First point is do not touch the electrical outlets and wires. Do you know the electrical wires? No, current wires, don't touch them. They are very dangerous. And electrical stove, current stove is there, no children, you should don't touch it. And toaster, bread toaster, that also should not touch. And also electrical appliances. Electrical appliances means iron box is there, no? Like that appliances you don't touch. Okay, especially with a wet hand, these things can give an electrical shock, sometimes fatal. Children, listen here. Sometimes what happens now, if wet hands, if we touch the electrical wires, it will give us shock. Electrical shock it gives us. Okay, sometimes we will die also. So please be careful of these electrical wires, electrical stoves, electrical appliances. Okay children, be very careful of these things. Next is avoid playing with the matchbox or any kind of lighters. Do you know children? What is that matchbox? Benki Patna. Don't play with that. Okay? And also any kind of lighters. Okay? Stove lighter don't touch those types of things. Okay? Do not leave any soap or shampoo on the floor or wash room. Look children, do not leave any soap. Body washing soap iruttalva, and also cloth washing soap also. Don't throw anywhere on the floor in your house and in the bathroom. Okay children? Someone may slip, fall or get hurt. What happens if you throw the soap on the floor also in the bathroom? Someone, they will keep their leg on it and they will fall or slip. Got it? Yes. Next is, do not take any medicine unless your parents give it to you. Children, don't take any medicine of your own. You can ask your parents if you need. If you are sick, you can ask your parents and eat and take the medicines. Got it? Without your parents' help, don't take any medicine of your own. Got it, children? Next point is, keep away from sharp or pointed objects like needles, knives, blades. It can cause serious injuries. Look children, do not take or keep away. ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್, ಸೂಜಿ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್, knives, KNIVES, knife ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾಕುಗಳು, ಚಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ತರಕಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್. and blades, BLADES, blades. Okay, these types of things you should keep away. Don't touch or don't take these things. Got it, children? These will give us very serious injuries. Okay, if we touch the needle, it will damage our skin. And also blades, knives, those are very dangerous. Your small kids, no children, don't take these types of things. Next is safety rules in the school. How do we take the safety rules in the school? Okay, do not run on the corridors. Corridors in the room mundagade place irutalla, there don't run on there. Okay, and also you may collide with other students who can get hurt. What happens now children? If you run on the corridors, you can dash with your friends and you may fall down. Okay? If you run on the corridors, if you dash with your friends and you may fall down and you will get hurt. So please go slowly on the corridors. Don't run on there. Okay, do not jump on the desk. It is very, very bad thing, children. Don't run or don't jump from the desk. That is very, very bad habit. Don't do that. Okay, and in the classroom, don't run in the classroom. Don't jump from the desk and don't run in the classroom. Okay, be careful while closing the windows in the classroom. Be very careful when you are closing the door and opening the doors and windows. Don't keep your finger near that. Okay, do not keep your hand close to the frame. Okay, window frame is there, no children. Please don't keep your hand near to that. Running on the stairways is very dangerous. Staircase, STAIR, stair, WAYS, stairways. Don't run. Okay, if you run there, sometimes if you fall down and you will get hurt. Okay, come slowly and go down also very slowly on the stairways. Okay, you may slip or fall. Do not tease or fight with your friends. This is very, very bad habit, children. So please don't do this. Okay, don't fight or don't tease or with your friends. Be friendly with your friends, not enemies. Okay, enemy tara irbaadu, friend jotege friendly ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Don't fight and don't beat them. ಹೊಡಿಬಾರ್ದು friends. Okay, if there is any problem If you got any problem in your classroom, you can inform your class teacher. You can tell your class teacher what problems you face. Got it, children? You can inform if you have any problem. You can inform your class teacher or any other teacher. Okay? Got it, children? Next is safety rules on the playground. How do we take the safety rules? Safety rules in the playground. Okay. Share play rules on space so everyone can have fun. Do not fight with others. In the playground, do not fight with your friends. Okay. Give turn to others. Wherever ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. And also you should share the tools. Playing tools or playing things are there, no children. You should share. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ. Play appropriate games only in the chosen areas. ಓಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಗೇಮ್ ನ ಆಡಬೇಕು. ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So you should play the appropriate games only in the chosen areas. Okay. Do not stand behind the swings. Do you know the swings, children? Jokali gottalva? SWINGS, swings. Jokali. Do not stand behind. Behind means in the back side. Okay. Behind means back. Don't stand back side of the swings. It is coming like this now, children. If you stand behind the swings, it will touch your body and you may fall down. Okay, so please don't stand behind the swings. Okay, do not jump out of the swings, and also don't stand behind the swings, and also you should don't jump out of the swings. Jokali aata aadta irtira. Okay, suddenly jump ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. When it stops now, then you come out. And ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay. At the slides, use the steps to climb up the slide down properly. Look, children, and the slides. Joka ಇದೆ. ಜಾರು ಬಂಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? SLIDES. Slides means ಜಾರುವ ಬಂಡಿ. Okay. Slides ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? At the slides, use the steps. Okay, at the slide there is some steps are there. ಮೆಟ್ಲುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹತ್ತದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay. To climb up and slide down properly. You can use the stairs when you are going up to the slide and coming down the slide. Okay. Stay away from the thorny plants and barbed wires. Look, children, thorny plants in the ಮುಳ್ಳಿರುವಂತ ಗಿಡಗಳು. THORNY, thorny, PLANTS, plants. Thorny plant ಮುಳ್ಳಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, rose plant ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ. Don't touch that. And also barbed wires. ಮುಳ್ಳು ತಂತಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಳ್ಳು ತಂತಿನ ಹೀಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಥರದ್ದು ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ. Stay away. Keep away from these types of thorny plants and barbed wires. Got it? Yes. Next is safety rules on the road. How can we take the safety rules on the road? Okay. Hold hands while crossing the road. When you are crossing the road, children, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ ರೋಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? when we are crossing the road, should hold the hands. ಈ ಕಡೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. when we hold the hand and stop the vehicle, then we cross the road. Okay. Look left and right before crossing the road. Okay. when we are crossing the road, before crossing the road, road cross ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You should see your left and see your right side. Okay. Here the vehicles are coming. This side the vehicles are coming. You can see. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ you can hold your hands and then you go. Okay. 5 minutes late ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. When the road is free, there is no vehicle, then only you can cross the road. Urgent ಆಗಿ road cross ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Don't make urgent when you are crossing the road. Wait some time. If the road is free, then you cross the road. Got it, children? Next is always walk on the pavement. Okay, sometimes ಇಲ್ಲಿ pavement ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೋಡ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. PAVEMENT, pavement. This is a small road to walk the walkables only, not vehicles. Okay, this is the road to walk only walkables. Road, this road ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ರೋಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೋಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಹೋಗೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡು, ಬರುವಂತ ರೋಡ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್, ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ರೋಡ್. This is called pavement. PAVEMENT, pavement. Okay. Here the people are going. The walkables are moving here. Okay. Got it, children? This is the road. This is going road, and this is the coming road. Side of the road there is one small road that is called as pavement. Okay. There the walkables will move on this road. Okay. Got it? Next is always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Do you know the zebra crossing, children? That is black and white stripes on the road. Okay, black kappu bili patti anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈಟ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ರೋಡ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when the road is free, then only you can cross the road. Okay, use bright or reflective colors while cycling. When you are cycling, children, you can use the bright colors. Dull colors hakobadi clothes. Okay, when you are cycling, you can use the bright colors dress. Okay, be aware of traffic sign. You know the traffic sign? Red color, yellow color and green color signal. Do you know? Do you saw that, children, on the road? Yes. Some 3 lights are there. Okay, first, second and third lights. Okay, this is the red light and this is the yellow light. YELLOW, yellow light, and this is the green light. Okay, there are 3 lights in the traffic sign. Okay, red light means what, children? Stop. When the red light came now, we can stop our vehicle. Okay, then yellow light we can be watch. WATCH, watch ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. When the green light comes now, we should go. Got it, children? Red light means stop, yellow light means to watch, and green light means to go. Okay, be aware of traffic sign. Okay, when we are using the vehicle, no, children, when we are going on the vehicle, we should see these lights, traffic sign. When the traffic sign is there, we should follow these steps. Okay, red light means stop, yellow light means watch, and the green light means go. Got it? Okay, children, we are ready. Now we completed this lesson. Here, safety rules in the bus and also the vehicles. At home also completed, and the school also completed. In the playground on the road. Okay, now we should follow the rules, safety rules in the bus or in the vehicles. Okay, children, in the bus or in the vehicles, we should follow the safety rules. Okay, children. Safety rules in the bus. In the bus, how do we take the safety rules? Or in the vehicles. Okay. Stand in the queue while waiting for or boarding the bus. When you are boarding the bus and we should stand in queue. Line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಬೇಕು. Okay, do not be urgent. Be seated when the bus is on the move. When the bus is on the move, children, when the bus is going, you can be seated. You should sit on the seat. Don't stand. If there is no seats, you can stand and hold the holders in the bus. ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. You should hold it when there is no seats. The bus is full. If you are standing, you can hold the holders in the bus. Talk softly and do not disturb others in the bus. In the bus, children, you should do one thing. Don't talk loudly. You should talk softly and slowly. And also, do not disturb. There will be disturbed. Okay? Strap your seat belt as soon as you are seated in the vehicle, in the car. Sometimes we are going in the car means you can put our seat belt. Seat belt irutte car alli adana use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, children, got it this lesson? All you understood? I hope you understood. Okay. Let us revise with some points we will revise now, children. Always follow safety rules. What I told now, till now you can follow that rules. Safety rules to be followed at home, school, on the road and while traveling in the vehicles. We should keep away from anything that can cause fire. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, that one you should be keep away. ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕಂತದ್ರಿಂದ. Always inform an adult or call for help if anyone is hurt. If anyone is hurt, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, you can call your adult. ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೀಬೇಕು. Got it, children? What is the meaning of safety rules? Measures taken to be safe. What we follow the rules, no, children? Those are safety rules. Zebra crossing means what? Black and white stripes on the roads for crossing. Some stripes are given, that is black and white stripe. Okay, on the road we walk on that. Okay, barbed wires means what? Strong fencing wires with sharp points or edges. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Barbed wires. Got it, children? Now I am going to give you hard words in this lesson. What I am going to give children now? Hard words. You should write in your classwork. Got it? First main hard words. Some hard words are given. I am going to give now. You should write in your class work. Got it, children? HARD, hard. WORDS, words. Lesson number 11, safety habits. First you can write down lesson number and then second line lesson name, and the third line you should write the first name. HARD, hard. WORDS, words, hard words. First one. First one, SAFETY, safety. RULES, rules. Sorry, first one only safety. SAFETY, safety. Second one, RULES, rules. Third one, home. HOME, home. Fourth one, electrical. ELECTRIAL, electrical. CAL, electrical. Fourth one completed now. Fifth one, objects. OBJECTS, objects. Sixth one, students. STUDENTS. NTS, students. Seventh one, dangerous, DANGEROUS, dangerous. Eighth one, problem, PROBLEM, problem. Ninth one, ROAD, road. Tenth one, CROSSING, crossing. 11th one, reflective, REFLECTIVE, reflective. 12th one, traffic, TRAFFIC, traffic. Okay children, now I am going to repeat these words one more time. First one, SAFETY, 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 safety. RULES, 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 rules. HOME, 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 home. ELECTRICAL, 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 electrical. OBJECTS, 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 objects. STUDENTS, students. DANGEROUS, dangerous. PROBLEM, problem. ROAD, road. CROSSING, crossing. REFLECTIVE, reflective. TRAFFIC, traffic. What are children? You should copy these words in your